In this video, I'm going to show you the exact technique I use to easily and quickly create YouTube Shorts. As you can see from my channel shown on screen, this technique helps me consistently create and upload videos even when I'm too busy and don't have much time. If you want to start creating and earning on YouTube but feel like you don't have the time or skills, this video is for you. Let's dive in. The first thing I do is create a folder where I'm going to store all the videos that I'm going to create this week. I'll name this folder Week 5 Videos. In the folder, I create a spreadsheet where I'll record the title and description of the videos I'll create. You don't have to use a spreadsheet though, you can use any other tool you prefer. Next, I'm going to head over to Simple Shorts. I've attached a link in the description. Here I describe the video I want to create. If you don't have a video idea, you can go to ChatGPT. That's where I get all my video ideas from. After describing the video and pressing generate, Simple Shorts will give me a script, a voiceover, title suggestions, a description, and I can also search for visuals. Basically all the components I need to create a video. I'll click Get Audio to get the voiceover for the script generated for me. I'll first review the script to make sure everything is to my liking. And when I think everything is okay, I'll then head over to the generate audio button, and when the audio is generated, I'll click the download button to get the voiceover for my script. I'll then copy one of the titles suggested as well as the description and paste these in the Excel file I created earlier. These will be the title and description I'll use when it's time to upload to YouTube. Now I'll get some visuals for my video. I'll type the visuals I want and press search. I'll then download the images and videos that I like. Now that I've got all the components I need to make my video, I'll go to CapCut to put them all together, but you can use any other video editor you prefer. I'll put the visuals together and add the voiceover and some captions to make it easier for the viewer to follow along. When my video is complete, I'll export it and save it to my Week 5 videos folder. I'm now going to repeat this process for each video I'm creating for the week, but I'll skip that part to keep this tutorial short. When my videos are complete, I head over to YouTube and schedule them for the week. I upload a new video every other day. And just like that, I've created and scheduled videos for the week in less than an hour. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.